Hey everyone, welcome back to Quinn's Cars. Today we have a really exciting episode where we're at the Cars and Coffee event in Lake Bowen, South Carolina. You are not going to want to miss the supercars we have in this episode. Stick around and we'll check them out. I've always loved the look of McLaren in comparison to most cars in the auto industry, but these arced headlights, along with this carbon black paint and this carbon fiber front splitter, along with the carbon fiber removable top in this 650S Spider, is a really incredible looking car, especially with these side air intakes that create these gills on the side of the car, and it has this active aero package with an active aero wing. Definitely one of the rarest cars I've ever seen in person, the second gen Ford GT. You can see how valuable and rare this car is just by the numbers, with it only being one of a little over 1,300 in the world, and it being $1 million plus for models like this. You can really see how every little detail was packed into this car, whether it be the heat extractors in the front, the watch-like design of the handcrafted headlight design here, the architecture of the teardrop shape, these 20-inch wheels with the Brembo painted calipers, and the interior design. It is an absolute work of art. Not to mention the 660 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque make this a work of art and a monster at the same time. Another Ford GT, but this one being in the 2005 to 2006 year range. It has 550 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, and that supercharged V8 that you can see from the back. It has these enormous wheels that are aluminum alloy but painted in this beautiful silver color, and then you have this classic racing red with white stripes going down the center. The interior has this really cool retro look with this manual chrome shifter and these circles that are in these seats that some people speculate that might be ventilation for the seats. They really respect their GT40 heritage from the 1960s and really bring that headlight and front end look into this 2005 Ford GT. Lamborghinis are always going to be a eye-catching design, especially with its angular wedge shape, but this Huracan Evo is really impressive with its 5.2 liter V10, 610 to 630 horsepower, and it really focuses on ultra sharp handling with this model as well. This color is called Blue Le Mans, and it's based off of the Le Mans track that is famous for races all across history that really test a car's limits. This 2002 Dodge Viper really caught my eye in the back here, and not only because of its bright yellow color, but also because it is one of those cars that holds such a fan base, but also some controversy, specifically because it has an 8-liter V10 with 450 horsepower, 490 pound-feet of torque, but it also has no ABS, no traction control, and no stability control, which it makes it one of the most powerful, but also one of the most dangerous cars that you can buy. For an enthusiast, this is the ultimate car, but for the average driver, this may be a death machine. This R35 Gen Nissan GTR is the epitome of the perfect street car. It has 480 horsepower, 430 pound-feet of torque in that 3.8 liter V6. This one, with it being a street car and it being Japanese, they focus so well on handling as well as power. With it having the double wishbone suspension, the multi-link suspension, it really focuses on the perfect handling experience with the power that comes with it. I think Godzilla is a perfectly fitting name, and not only does it look like a monster, but it sounds like one too. Listen to this quad exhaust. Thank you guys so much for watching. These cars are really incredible, and I love that I can share this with you guys and share cars that are not only rare and valuable, but also are cars that enthusiasts love and people in general have loved for generations. Let me know in the comments section what you guys' favorite cars are and why. Alright, until next time guys, thanks. Bye.